1, 4, and 5, which were the user story, the activity feed, and the delete for a total of 11 points possible. Just a couple notes before I start the demo. I learned how to use async and await versus nested callbacks for the server code. And I did that for the delete project. And then there are two comments I wanted to make. I fixed my nested async each, which didn't work and didn't pass the test. They now pass the tests, the npm test directory, which started in project 7. I did a sub-document delete, which are the comments inside of the delete project. The demo starts by logging in first as a user. Going to the user details, and this is the extension part 1 where they're listed by most recent photo and by the number of comments. Most recent photo first. Clicking on either photo gets to the user photo page. I can delete the document. If I delete something that's not owned by the logged in user, nothing happens. I can go to another user. I go back, and the comment's still there. But if I delete the document that's owned by the current logged in user, which is Peregrine Took, I can show that it disappears. And we go back, and this comment's no longer here. What do you think? I can add comments, and that shows up as part, and it'll show up on the activity page, which is the add comment, which is what we just did. I can go back to the view, and I can delete comments, which delete that, just the added comment. I'm having mouse problems. And then I can delete the photos. This is the guy with the long hair. And if we go back, you can see that that guy with the long hair photo is gone. I can delete a user. This is the modal box. I agree to delete loop, then I have to log out. I also have to clear the browser cache, so I go to localhost again. Then I log in as a different user. And I show that that user is no longer there. And I show that the user detail still works.